Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to put video on repeat on YouTube. So to do that, head over to your YouTube application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to any video. Like, let me go to this video. And if I want to just keep it on loop, here if you tap on the video, there will be a gear icon on the top right. And go to additional settings right here, and here you have to turn on the loop video, and the video will keep playing on and on and repeatedly. So yeah, this is how you can just put video on repeat on YouTube. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.